Yo, there's some fireworks. Yo, that's going crazy. I. Oh. 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 It's just not. Yeah, I'm coming quick. I missed it. I'm just gonna sit here. There's green things on my face. This is if you saw that, guys. Oh yeah, that's the best one. Yo, I need a wee so bad, but I want someone to video, but no one can't. Oh yeah, that's the best one. I want it. I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna go toilet. I hope. I wish I can let someone hold it, but no can't. Oh yes. Oh, wait, I can do this. I think. Oh no, that's not. I'll just be back. Wait, let me just move that. Oh, it's coming.
Regardless, Captain, they're going to appeal for the hit. Natural in the stomach. I think you can see through the hit, but he appeals for it anyway. Tony Kroos over the Real Madrid free kick. Of course, Ramos. Raul was there first. Oh, what a strike! Nearly too quick for the camera. What a strike! My goodness. This boy's got some.
Yo, I'm back. Yo, yo, he's back. Okay.